Now it's time for tips about bananas that can make your life easier. Bananas, they're delicious and healthy, but not everyone knows how to eat these bananas properly. Well, once you get a bunch, they go bad faster if they're still in the bunch. So as soon as you get them, you want to separate them. Don't ask me how it works, it just does. And they won't go bad as fast because you're separating them. Tip number 2, you don't want to eat them like this because they're not sweet enough, they're not ripe enough. These are unripened bananas and they're just gonna be like starchy and just kind of like not that good, and they're not living up to their fullest potential. So if you really want to get the most out of the nutrition of bananas, because I know you do because you're smart people, you want to wait until they're brown and spotty. Most people be like, oh, they're rotten. No, my friends. That's when the sugars are right. You don't want to eat an unripened fruit of any kind of fruit. So why would you do that with bananas? That is a falsity that society has been perpetuating. Eating bananas like this, it's just not as good. I mean, you can, if you like it like this, that's fine, it's good, but you're just not gonna get the utmost nutritional value where the sugars are the ripest. So ripe bananas look really good. That's why I wait at least a couple days to a week until they are brown and spotty, and then you will notice the difference. Whether you put it in a smoothie, you just eat it right away, you're gonna notice they're much sweeter and much tastier, because we are meant to eat fruit, my friends. So here are some banana tips. I hope you like the banana tips. I've gone bananas about bananas. So leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and let me know if you have any banana tips of your own or any fruit or food tips. I would love for you to put those in the comments below, and I will see you later. This is Rob Geckner. Woo-hoo!